I am so incredibly excited to be on a Halloween cruise. I'm sure you hear all the noise in the background. There's a lot of activity going on in the hallway from our next door neighbors, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour while Kathy's out gallivanting of our room. She's already put some of her Halloween stuff out and it's super cute. We brought a bunch of different props and a bunch of different costume things, so I'll give you the grand tour and also tell you a little bit about the room while I'm here. We are on the Valiant Lady on a Halloween cruise with Virgin Voyages, and this is pretty exciting for us. We originally thought we wanted to do the Halloween on the High Seas with Disney, and then we decided, because we're working on Potions and Powders book right now and it's going to be released in the next couple days, that we would come celebrate the launch of the Potions and Powders on the Virgin Voyages 4-night Halloween cruise out of Miami. So here we are. This is the standard sea terrace room on the Valiant Lady. They're pretty much the same on all the ships, but we really like the simplicity of them. They're not ultra cush like some of the other lines tend to have. It's very, I call it IKEA-esque, but it's comfortable, it's spacious, we have room to do what we need to do, and we just really like it, and we always really sleep really well in these beds. Some people don't like them, but we're really happy with these. I think probably because it's kind of lower to the ground and a little more like what we have at home. But over here on the right, of course, is the bathroom. Over here is some closet area. When we come into the room, we'll see you got your basic bed. Now they can move this out into 2 twins for us if we'd like. We usually on Virgin keep it like this because it's pretty cozy and there's plenty of room to walk around and things. You've got your standard little chair. They give you some beach towels to use. There's a blanket for using out on the balcony. This is Kathy's little stuffed animal that she will use for the pajama party tonight. So she will carry that with her for the pajama party, which is adorable. She's also brought her Windy Willow's frog purse, her purple frog purse. I think you guys might remember her getting that a while ago. She was so excited about that. This is the Fate or Fortune spinner. It has all the things listed that are different on this cruise because it's a Halloween cruise than we normally get. So we're looking forward to this. We were able to book like the Booze and Bevies, which is like an art class with drinks and a few other things. I was finally able to get the backstage tour. I am super excited for that tomorrow. I've been trying to get that on all 6 trips that we've been on Virgin. And so I'm very excited that I was able to get that booked today and just looking forward to it. Kathy's also has her ears, her 50th anniversary ears. She did bring, spoiler, her Haunted Mansion dress, which she'll be wearing these ears with for one of her costumes. One of the things I love about Virgin is that they always give you some water and they fill that up and refresh it every day for you. And also, we always ask for a bucket of ice, and that way we can keep our drinks nice and cool because you guys know how we are about ice. And then each one of the ships has one of these little octopus guys. And these little octopus guys, they come in different colors on all of them. On the Valiant Lady that we're on, it's purple. You think he's just a little tchotchke. You can't buy these in the gift shop. It's actually a phone holder. You set your phone in there and it holds on to your phone while it's charging and things like that. There's Kathy's backpack for Scarlet Night. Yes, that is an octopus backpack. Can you believe that? I can't even remember where we found this at, but when we saw it, we were like, oh my God. We definitely have to have that. My standard pirate costume is with me, and so that should be a lot of fun. Moving on through the room, you do get your standard refrigerator area. It's just, you know, your regular kind of dorm size refrigerator. The great thing here is that they don't fill it up with a mini bar, so you can actually put your stuff in it and use it. And so if you were to go to the galley and get some grab and go, You could bring it up here and put it in the refrigerator for a late night snack, which I have done before, and it works out great. They bring you towels. They have this nice blanket that you can take out on the deck with you. Kathy's water sitting there. Again, this is close up of her little bear that she'll be carrying tonight for the pajama party. Standard TV. The great thing about Virgin is everything works off of this. You just use the iPad and you pick what you want to do. They've got movies and things. You can control the lights here. You can turn them on, you can turn them off. I just dimmed them. I can turn them back on again and make them bright again. I can control the cabin curtains. Like right now, the cabin curtains are on, and if I push the curtain button, then it will automatically close the cabin curtains for me. Also, housekeeping has it when you first walk in the room and you open the door, that your curtains will automatically open when you first walk onto the ship. And it's one of my favorite things because it always makes me realize, oh, we finally got here, we're finally in the room, and we're finally ready to go. But yeah, it works out really well. Controls the TV, controls the lights, does all sorts of things. You have the room controls, entertainment. Those are all your room controls. You can control the temperature. You can control how bright the lights are. And then there's some other fun things too, like some mood lighting and things like that. You can order room service from here. You can request for them to come pick up your laundry bag from here. And we're about to get an announcement.
Ahoy, sailors.
Back to it. We do get on the first day, we get a little what's going on kind of information sheet. And most everything on Virgin is done through their app. So after today, we do not typically get these in our room. Typically, you would pick this up like when you go to get your coffee, or in the galley when you go to have breakfast or whatever like that. And then we are Deep Blue Extras. So some of the things that we get as Deep Blue Extra folks are priority boarding, $100 bar tab credit, unlimited premium Wi-Fi, dedicated sailor services support, 2 specialty coffees per day, premium laundry service, and exclusive cocktail event. And you know, those are just little perks we get. We have been on 6 Virgin voyages so far, and we have some others to go. We're actually going to be going after Thanksgiving. We will be on a cruise with some of our family and friends, and we're really excited about that too. And we will be sailing out of San Juan, so look forward to bringing you that perspective. We've gone out of Miami several times, and we've gone out of Southampton in the UK. Each one is completely different, so it'll be interesting to see how that works when we leave out of San Juan as well. There's not a lot for me to show you. I mean, actually, it is just your basic bed, nice comfy sheets. It's very comfortable to us. There's some lighting back there, like if you wanted to do some reading or something like that. This is our sea terrace balcony. It's not the biggest in the world, but it's not the smallest. It's perfect for us. And this is the famous red hammock. And you will find Kathy in this most of our trip. And there's just a nice shot of Miami, guys. Pretty busy today, lots of traffic getting over here. It took a while, but it was great. We stayed at another one of the Compose hotels like we did when we were in Orlando. This time we stayed at the Compose Miami, which is very near the airport. And a lot of people complain it was loud, but we didn't really find it that bad. So here is the room. Just another shot going back towards the door. There's a nice big full-length mirror over here that you can check yourself, make sure you got your outfit on the way you want it. Again, there's our toys. And here's a look at that closet area. It's just a curtain that goes across where all your stuff hangs. But there is some nice, storage right there. There's room for suitcases there. There's a pretty good amount of space for clothes, and they do give you plenty of hangers. This is the laundry bag. This is one of the things that I really love about Virgin. Look at the size of this laundry bag, y'all. It's huge. It's not like the tiny one you get everywhere else. We can pretty much wash a week's worth of clothes for both of us in that bag. And here's where your life jackets are. Got some shelving. Got your safe, hair dryer, and then some drawers and space for some shoes at the bottom. So it's very simple, but it's functional, and that's what I like about it. The bathroom is not the biggest bathroom in the world, but it's functional. You've got room to put your stuff because you've got that shelving down there. There's a little cubby right there you can put some stuff in. Very modern looking, very clean. We like it. The shower, like I said, is not the biggest, but it's stocked well, and it's a door, proper door. You know how I feel about shower curtains, but yay, I get a door. So yeah, that's it. That's our bathroom. We are excited to be here for Halloween, and we are excited to bring you all the Halloween goodness on this trip.